VRL Logistics. In fact, close to about 700 crore of the market capitalization has been wiped out today. Mangalam is here to tell us more about what all is spooking the street. Mangalam?
Well, two things that are spooking the street, Reema. I'll tell you what, amidst the hullabaloo of the fact that the promoters are looking to enter the civil aviation business in their personal capacity, that is spooking the street. The thing that we are forgetting is that they've also reported a weak set of numbers in the fourth quarter itself, where the revenues were up just about 4.6%. The margins actually collapsed from 15% to about 11.5%, and the net profit was down 32%. This, despite the finance cost nearly halving to around that 6.6 crore mark. The goods transportation business, which accounts for about 66% of their revenues, which saw margins come in at 7.5% versus about 13%. And the bus operations as well, despite adding some capacities, saw revenues collapse by as much as 5.3%, as well as the margins also came down from 14.5% to about 11%. But what has clearly taken the sentiment down or affected the stock sentiment the most today is the fact that the promoters are looking to enter the civil aviation business in their personal capacity, for which they can offload stake of as much as 300 to 400 crores, which amounts to about 10% stake. Remember, the promoters hold about 69.6% stake, and we spoke to the management. They did indicate that they are looking to sell about 300 to 400 crore worth stake in the company over the next 3 to 4 years, and they are going ahead with this passion project of theirs. So let's hear out what they had to say as well.
We want to start a very small airlines with forming a private limited company. Total investment will be about 14 to 1500 crores. Out of that, I may dilute to the extent of 300 to 400 crores worth of shares over a period of next 3 years. Whether my shareholders are liking or don't liking, I am not bothered. When I started logistics and output media, the same question was asked. No, everybody is keeping quiet. No. When I came for a IPO, everybody was criticizing my logistics is a heavy asset model. This is no way connected to VRL.
All right, then moving on. Just as the other stock has lost more than 15%,